This quick video is about how to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram using iPhone. Okay, first open Instagram app, then click here, then click these three lines, settings, now tap security, here click two-factor authentication. Get started. Here we need to choose in which method you want to receive login code. I want to choose text message and WhatsApp. Now add your mobile number you want to receive login code. If you already added your mobile number on Instagram, you don't need to add any number. Just confirm that number. That's it. Right now I need to add my mobile number. Then click next. Then a confirmation code will be sent to that number. You need to enter that number here. Then click next. Now turn on get your login codes through WhatsApp. Then click next. Here for WhatsApp we need to confirm that. So just click next, or you can set up later. And just enter this number. Next. Yeah, this is your backup codes. You can use this code suppose if you missed your mobile or SIM. If you have these backup codes, you can easily log into your Instagram account. So just take a screenshot or write it on your diary. That's it. You successfully turned on two-step authentication on Instagram. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.